Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Tassie T channel. I'm your host, Tassie T. Weather's been crap. I haven't been prospecting in friggin' ages. I'm starting to really miss it. So I've been stuck in the shed doing things. Now, got some awesome stuff going on. My old mate David Buckle, holy fuckle, it's David Buckle. He has given me this. This is a bottom off a cement mixer. What we're going to do is we're going to turn that into a gold drum. We're going to weld a lip on here to keep the gold in, about 30 or 40 mil high. We're going to weld a basket and some legs in here that protrudes out just past the face of it, so that when you shovel your stuff in, it can drop off the edge and all your fines can stay in there. Interesting project, never built one before, keen to get it done. I've also been given some of this stuff. It's Dream Mat. I'm going to modify that to go into my sluice, put it up here in this section. And I've also got some riffled carpet. Instead of this flat aqua carpet that I've got in here, I'm going to run some of this and we'll see how that works. The other thing I've been doing, so I've made up a shroud for the buggy. So I've got my drivetrain running through here. That's got a chain that runs from the engine to the gearbox. This is to keep the sound in. That's made out of recycling crate plastics that I moulded with my barbecue plate, just for tits and giggles. Actually worked really well. I did take it for a quick test drive the other day and the sound is reduced significantly. But all the mounts are solid, everything's solid now. I'm really quite happy with it. It looks good, it does the job. We've also put a new carburetor on the little red four-wheeler and your car spotlight. I'll just turn that on for you. So you can see how bright that bad boy is. Yep, that's a good. So we've picked one of those up to go on the buggy as well. So I'm going to mount that probably here somewhere. Or I might mount it up here yet. Don't know. We'll figure that out later. But the weather's been bloody terrible and I hate being stuck in the shed. It drives me bonkers. In the same token, at least I've got a shed to do stuff in. So it's project after project after project. The next thing I want to build is a trailer to go behind the quad and to go behind the buggy. And I'm half thinking about building a little camper trailer. Because, like, why wouldn't you? It's all good and well to set your swag up on the wet ground and set tarps up and shit. But I'm thinking if I build a little camper trailer to tow behind either or, depending on where I'm going, make it like a pop top, fold out seat, little cooking area, I reckon that'd be cool. But it's got to be light, it's got to be strong, and it's got to be low. It's got to have a low centre of gravity, buckle ground clearance. So, and I want to build it for free. I'm not one for paying for shit. If I can build it or find it, I bloody will. So we're going to see what happens with that. That's this week's project, unless the weather clears up, because the day it gets sunny, I'm freaking gone. Me and the big black girl, we're itching to get out. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. The other thing I've done too is I built a little electric car for the kids. Now that was a mobility scooter. It's a computer monitor on the front. It's 24 volt, 600 watt engine in it. It's not overly quick, but the kids love it. The kids absolutely love it. So I've finished building that. They've been fanging around in that, having a good old time. It's just game on. If you've got any ideas on building this little camper trailer, leave a comment. I'm always keen to hear what people think, and especially when it comes to building something that I've never tried to build before. Any information I can gain is definitely going to be taken on board, and I appreciate your comments. I didn't realise, I actually checked to see how many subscribers I've got the other day. There's 46 of you lot out there. I reckon my shit's worth watching occasionally. So, yeah, that's cool. Thank you very much. Awesome. Hope you all have a good week, and I'm going to have a beer, because it's beer o'clock. Cheers.